Two ways with elastic knots. First, pre-stretch your elastic and leave a nice long length to work with. I am using 8mm rainbow obsidian beads. Thread your beads onto your elastic. I actually leave my elastic on the reel and then cut it once my beads are in place. Now cut your elastic and I make sure I have nice long tails to work with. First I'm going to show you the triple overhand knot. Place left over right elastic and fold under. Pull so that your beads are next to each other. This is a half knot. Now fold right over left and fold underneath. And once again, pull that tight. One overhand knot is formed. We repeat this 2 more times. Left over right and fold under. Pull tight. Right over left and fold under. I am quite awkward with my other hand, I've got to say. Pull tight. Now last one. Left over right and fold under. Pull tight, right over left and fold under. See, awkward. And finally, pull tight. Now you want to pull it tightly from all angles to make sure those knots are really nice and tight and secure. You really don't want to rush this step. So this is the triple overhand knot. As you can see, it is quite a tall knot, but it is strong. Trim your ends short. And for security, add a dab of glue. I'm using GS Hypo Cement. It has a really fine nib. Now while that dries, I'll show you another knot you can use. This is the surgeon's knot. So pre-stretch your elastic again. You would normally add your beads here, but I am just cutting off a section to show you the knot. So start like the overhand, right over left, but this time you're going to fold under twice. Pull to where your beads would be, then right over left as with the overhand, and pull tight. Now this is absolutely crucial in this knot. You need to pull all the sides together evenly to make that knot go tight. If you pull just 2 of them, the knot will unravel. So the surgeon's knot up close, you can see it's much smaller, so this is better for finer or smaller hold beads. Still trim it, still add a drop of glue there. Now to hide your knot, you're just simply going to slide that knot inside the bead that is next to it. And there you have it, a seamless elasticated bracelet. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please subscribe for more. We're going to be making some make together projects very soon.